What's up, you guys? It's Posted from the Beemer Fam coming back at you. Today we're going to take a little drive in the M3. But first, remember we're doing the 1K subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys are entered in that. You have to like and comment on the last video, and you have to be subscribed to the channel. So take a second if you like our videos here in Beemer Fam and sock that subscribe button for me. It helps tremendously. Back in the coop and it feels good. Hope everybody's doing alright, making it through this winter alright. Spring's just right around the corner. In case you guys don't know, got a lot of stuff in the works here for Beemer Fam. And now that it's finally getting warmer, we can have some more fun times with the friends. Man, it's such a nice day. It's only 30, but it's beautiful. Oh yeah, shout out to all the haters in the comment section on the one time. We see you. Don't care, but we see you. I saw this one dude calling us drug dealers and all kinds of different stuff. Like, really? Sorry that we know how to work on our streams of income and you don't. And drugs ain't one of the ways, buddy. Like, we got our type of drama too, but we don't need that. We use our hate to motivate. You don't need to keep spreading that. No, no, no. People understand that positivity and learning from your experience is really how you get ahead. You got to keep your ears open and take everything in, take it with a grain of salt, but learn. Learn as much as you can about everything. Diversify yourself, diversify your knowledge, therefore diversifying your wealth is how you do that. Good view of this lake here. And want to help change society for the better, promote positivity, do away with bullies, do away with isms, do away with all these societal constructs that divide us. We want to be associated with these people that want all of us to come together, stop spreading hatred, and let's move forward as a unified family of humans. Let's go ahead and get on the highway real quick and, you know, just do a little pull. Fun. We did the speed limit. It was nice to be able to get back in my car, drive with a nice sunny day. That is all I love. Actually, that and a few other things. But make sure you guys give everybody a follow. We got Great White M6. We got make sure you guys follow the fam. We got me at E92 Posted. We got Dave at Great White M6. And we got E at E.Ren. Stop through at Beemer Fam. Can't wait till this summer hit. We got some pretty crazy things lined up, man. We're gonna have some lit footage for y'all for